Hello friends, today we will discuss MCQs on learning disabilities. Question number 1. Which is the most common type of learning disability? A. Dyslexia, B. Dysgraphia, C. Dyscalculia, and D. Dyspraxia. Answer is A. Dyslexia. Dyslexia affects reading and writing skills. Example, a child confuses letters like B and D while reading. This is example of dyslexia. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a learning disability? A. Dyslexia, B. Dysgraphia, C. Dyscalculia, and D. Asthma. Answer is D. Asthma. Asthma is a respiratory disease, not a learning disability. A child with asthma can read and write normally. Question number 3. Dysgraphia primarily affects which skill? A. Reading, B. Writing, C. Speaking, D. Listening. Answer is B. Writing. Dysgraphia causes poor handwriting and spelling issues. Example, a student writes letters in reverse or with uneven spacing is called dysgraphia. Question number 4. Which of the following best describes dyscalculia? A. Reading difficulty, B. Writing difficulty, C. Mathematical difficulty, D. Speaking difficulty. Answer is C. Mathematical difficulty. Dyscalculia affects understanding numbers and arithmetic. Example, a child cannot understand the concept of addition or subtraction. He is afraid of numbers. Question number 5. What is the main characteristic of a learning disability? A. Low intelligence, B. Poor teaching, C. Difficulty in learning despite normal IQ, D. Physical disability. Answer is C. Difficulty in learning despite normal IQ. Children with learning disabilities have normal or above average IQ but struggle in academics. A student is intelligent but cannot read fluently. It's called learning disability. Question number 6. Which of the following is an effective method for teaching learning disabled students? A. Lecture method, B. Punishment or mistakes, C. Multi-sensory method, D. Rote learning. Answer is C. Multisensory method involves visual, auditory, and kinesthetic senses for better understanding. Using flashcards, audio, and writing practice together is effective in teaching students with learning disability. The term learning disability was first introduced by A. Jean Piaget, B. Samuel Kirk, C. Howard Gardner, D. Alfred